What is a mother?
She nurtures me.
She's my tower of strength.
She laughs and cries with me.
She loves me.
Mama Africa.
Mama Africa.
Mama Africa.
Mama Africa.
A Mother's Day television special. Celebrate your mother, sister, grandmother, or that special woman who you believe deserves a chance to win amazing prizes and the title Mama Africa, a woman of love, strength and devotion. To enter, simply email us at entry@mamaafricatv.com and tell us why that special woman deserves the title Mama Africa. Mama Africa will be broadcasted on High TV on Mother's Day 2010. For more information, visit www.mamaafricatv.com or call 0207 635 6600. Go on, make her feel extra special this Mother's Day. Mama Africa, brought to you by Phoenix Media.